Hello, this is Tim with Metrolock in Omaha, working on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. We're going to see if it takes under the 21. Turn our ignition on here for this part. There we go. Looks like we're communicating. That's a good start. We're going to add prox key. Okay, ignition's on. There's 2 available, 5 spots left. Okay, we have a brand new OEM key that we're going to be programming in. This is a dupe key. Okay, we have 30 seconds to do it. Use our registered key against the button. Got our beep. And then our new OEM key, still in the bag here. 25 seconds left. Double beeps. I think I missed the screen part there where it said that, but we have key successfully registered. We do not want to program another one. Let's double check our key count here. We now went from 2 to 3, so 2022 same as 21.